Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn to Speak Chinese. Today we're diving into the art of urgency. How do you get someone to move quickly, act fast, or stop wasting time in Chinese? Don't worry, you'll be ready to shout hurry up in no time. Let's kick things off with 再不就. This structure is a lifesaver when you need to say, if you don't do this now, something bad will happen. It's often used when you want to warn someone about the consequence of not acting quickly. The phrase 再不 means if you don't do something soon, and 就 introduces the negative consequence. For example, 再不走就来不及了. If we don't leave now, it'll be too late. Here, 再不走 means if we don't leave soon, and 就来不及了 means it will be too late. The whole sentence warns that if you don't act now, something important will be missed. More examples. 再不写完报告，老板会生气的. If you don't finish the report now, the boss will be angry. 再不睡觉，明天就起不来了. If you don't sleep now, you won't be able to get up tomorrow. 再不发货，就来不及了. If you don't ship it now, it'll be too late. Next up, 快点. This is your go-to phrase for hurry up. It's simple, to the point, and can be used in many situations. It's an imperative form, which is a direct way of telling someone to do something quickly. 快点吃饭. Hurry up and eat. 快点写完作业. Finish your homework quickly. 快点发邮件. Send the email quickly. Want to be more specific? Just pair 快点 with any verb. For example, 快点决定 means hurry up and decide. It's a good way to tell someone to make a decision fast. But wait, there's more. Meet 赶紧, the big brother of 快点. It's stronger and adds even more urgency. It's often used when something needs to be done immediately or without any delay. Like 快点, it's also used in the imperative form, but it has more of a right now feeling. 赶紧走. Leave right now. 赶紧联系客户. Contact the client immediately. 赶紧准备会议材料. Prepare the meeting materials immediately. And if you're in an even bigger hurry, try 赶快. It's another great way to say hurry up, but with more punch. It's slightly stronger than 快点, but not as strong as 赶紧. 赶快报名. Hurry up and register. 赶快把这个问题解决了. Hurry up and resolve this issue. 赶快过来开会. Hurry up and come to the meeting. Now let's look at 趁早. This means do it as early as possible, or while there's still time. It's used when you want to encourage someone to act early before something becomes difficult or impossible. It's often followed by a suggestion or warning. 趁早决定，不然机会就没了. Decide early, or the opportunity will be gone. 你最好趁早告诉他. You'd better tell him sooner rather than later. Notice that 趁早 emphasizes taking action early. It's like a reminder to get ahead of the situation before it's too late. Then there's 趁, which works beautifully to push someone to act while there's still an opportunity. It's often followed by an action. For example, 趁热吃，凉了就不好吃了. Eat it while it's hot, it won't taste as good cold. 趁现在没什么人，快去买票. Go buy the tickets now while there aren't many people. When you use 趁, you're highlighting the opportunity to do something before it's too late. The structure is 趁 plus noun or verb plus action. If someone's dragging their feet, 别等了 is your weapon. It means don't wait anymore. And it's a great way to push someone to stop hesitating. It's also an imperative phrase. 别等了，立刻行动吧. Don't wait, take action immediately. 别等了，时间快到了. Don't wait, time is almost up. And when someone's procrastination is driving you nuts, try 别再拖了, which means stop delaying. It's like telling someone to stop wasting time. It's a direct command, often used when you want someone to stop procrastinating and act immediately. 别再拖了，赶紧交报告. Stop delaying and hand in the report. 别再拖了，客户在等我们的答复. Stop delaying. The client is waiting for our response. To make your warning crystal clear, use 要不然, which means otherwise. It's great when you want to emphasize the consequence of not acting quickly. For example, 快点，要不然就迟到了。Hurry up or else we'll be late. 赶紧修好电脑，要不然老板会发火的。Fix the computer quickly or the boss will get angry. So there you have it, a whole toolkit of phrases to express urgency in Chinese. Remember, 再不 emphasizes the urgency of an action with consequences. 快点 and 赶紧 are great for urging immediate action. 赶快 has an even stronger sense of urgency. 趁早 and 趁 encourage acting before it's too late. 别等了 and 别再拖了 tell someone to stop waiting or delaying. 要不然 highlights the consequence of not acting quickly. With these phrases, you'll sound more natural and confident when urging someone to act quickly in Chinese. Now get practicing and don't delay. Time waits for no one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.